Precision medicine is the National Cancer Institute initiative to use the genetic or any other information like from the protein expression of the patient's cancer to diagnose and then to treat their cancer. The therapy is based on the results of individual patient's cancer, and that's what is also called as personalized therapy or targeted therapy. For lung cancer patients, there are 2 precision medicine clinical trials that are enrolling patients currently. One is Lung-MAP and the second one is ALCHEMIST. Both the trials are for different stages of lung cancer patients and with different tumor types. ALCHEMIST is a precision medicine trial for early stage lung cancer patients. In this trial, we are studying whether the addition of targeted therapy to the standard of care in these patients whose cancer has been removed will further improve their overall survival. The patients in ALCHEMIST trial will first have surgery and followed by standard of care, which could be chemotherapy and chemotherapy with radiation therapy. The cancer that has been removed surgically will be tested for 2 genes, which will be EGFR and ALK. These genes are not common. In US, about 10% of the patients with advanced stage lung cancer are found to have EGFR mutations, and about 5 to 6% will have ALK gene. Since these genes are uncommon, we will need to screen a large number of patients, about 6,000 to 8,000, in order to study adequate number of patients with these 2 small subsets. Patients whose tumor has EGFR will be treated with erlotinib against placebo, and patients with ALK gene will be treated with crizotinib against placebo. All patients, irrespective of their gene status in the tumor tissue, will be followed on ALCHEMIST trial for clinical outcome as well as the epidemiological outcome. Lung-MAP is a precision medicine trial for patients with squamous cell type of lung cancer. These patients have been treated with first-line chemotherapy, and their tumor has now stopped responding to that therapy. Depending on the genetic test results of patients' tumor tissue, patients on Lung-MAP will then be enrolled in one of the many arms of the Lung-MAP trial that is testing the drug against their genetic mutation and or standard of care. Patients whose tumor does not have any genetic abnormality will also have an opportunity to be enrolled in the arm where we are testing immunotherapy against standard of care therapy. As the science moves forward, we will be discovering more genetic abnormalities in patients' tumor tissue, and we will also have more targeted drugs that will stop those tumors from growing. Both ALCHEMIST and Lung-MAP trials have the flexibility to open arms in future to study those patients. This is an exciting time for the scientists to understand and treat lung cancer patients, and lung cancer patients have the opportunity to get into many of the clinical trials nationwide. Both ALCHEMIST and Lung-MAP are available to patients through NCI's clinical trials network throughout the nation.
For questions about these trials or for more information about lung cancer, please call NCI's Cancer Information Service at 1-800-4-CANCER or visit us online at cancer.gov/clinicaltrials.